go for you. Now, I want one of us little men to sit quietly and study while we're at the ham party. Understand? I say, come on, little ham. That woman got as busy as a cat on a hot tin roof. She didn't even say good morning back. And mother, I say, well, little man. She's only trying to make a panty with her poor kid. I think of this nosy old nose, man. One ton. I said, howdy, boy. I just wanted to come over and play games with you, boy. That be fun? Sir, boy, put that airhead down there, boy, because pay attention, I'm talking, boy. I said I want to play games. That be fun? I said I just have to know it, boy. You want this place, but I have to read that book like a coward on you. I said I just want my game single. Shakes and heavily, yes. Nah, no. But I know. I say, how about some ball? So we pick up the ball, and then we just gotta try to aim for those pins. So. Voila! Right. Yes, right. Here's another game I would like to play. I call it Look Out for the Shark. All you gotta do is to walk carefully, and I carefully walk past the shark. If you're not careful, then you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna bite you in the back. See ya. Let's see you try, son. What I said, walk past the shark, not jump over the shark. I do not have to try myself. Let's go carefully. I must have accidentally tripped over. Whatever. Let's just see how the shark is. Nah, Sharky. Good, Sharky. No! Boy, I say, boy, let's try something real dangerous, huh? That's a pick of hide and seek. You'll be the seeker, and I'll be the hide. Sure? Alright, everybody actually count to 10, huh? That boy on the little slide on the side here. Well, what do you know? He's going in the wrong direction. Oh, Junior, look at yourself. You're a mess. Oh, I never saw the like of it. And you, only creating trouble, you goddamn loafer. Mark my words. One day, one of your stuff will backfire on you. You were so right.